Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make and decorate a cake. First, gather all your ingredients and necessary equipment. Ensure your oven is preheated to the correct temperature, typically 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your cake pans by greasing and flouring them or by lining with parchment paper. Accurate measurement of both dry and wet ingredients is crucial for a perfect cake texture. Begin by creaming together softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Incorporate eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully mixed before adding the next. Gradually alternate adding your dry and wet ingredients to the batter, mixing just until combined. Bake your cakes in the preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, indicating they are fully cooked. Once baked, allow your cakes to cool completely on a wire rack. This prevents frosting from melting. Use a serrated knife to carefully level any dome tops, creating flat surfaces for easy stacking. Apply a very thin layer of frosting, known as a crumb coat, to seal in any loose crumbs. Chill the crumb-coated cake in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes to set. After the crumb coat is set, apply a thicker, final layer of frosting, smoothing it with an offset spatula. Get creative with a piping bag and various tips to add decorative elements like borders, swirls, or rosettes. Enhance your cake with sprinkles, fresh berries, or delicate edible flowers. Practice makes perfect, so enjoy experimenting with different designs to personalize your beautiful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.